Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is integration polylogarithm problem that find out the value li2 minus x and 1 plus x square x dx and hence deduce this integral. So at first I find out this integral li2 minus x divided by 1 plus x square integration 0 to 1 x into dx. Okay, verifying this, and after that I can write this way. What is the meaning of li2 minus x? li2 minus x is 0 to 1 comma 0 comma 1 x square log y divided by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x1 dy into dx. Next friends, next I can write, I use log AB formula equal to log A plus log B. So I can write this formula. So I can write this way: 0 to 1 and 0 to 1 x square log xy divided by 1 plus x square 1 xy dy dx. Log A can be written log AB minus log B. Log x divided by 1 plus x square into 1 plus xy one plus xy dy into dx. Okay, it is very clear for everyone. Okay, I just use log property, and now I can write this way: 0 to 1 and x square, and okay, 0 to 1 is, I can apply symmetry. I can apply this integral can be written as omega. So I write it as omega minus 1. Okay, omega 1 I write, and this integration can be written as omega. Okay, so omega and omega 1 minus x log x and log 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x square. So I can write this way, and this value, I know this value. I have time. Please check my YouTube that omega is equal to omega minus 1, and this value you know that minus plus 15 divided by 64 for zeta 3 minus pi cube divided by 32 log. Okay friends, I hope it is clear. Now I have to find out omega 1. Omega 1 can be written as 0 to 1 and 0 to 1 x square log xy divided by 1 plus x square 1 plus xy dx into dy. Please check my above integral. Okay, we will check. Now I apply using symmetry. Using symmetry. Okay. So whatever I get the value is 0 to 1 and 0 1 y square log xy divided by 1 plus y square into 1 plus xy. Same facts dy into dx. Okay, no problem. The order, okay, dx dy and dy dx. Next friends, next I can write this 2 omega 1 2 into omega 1 because I add this is also omega 1. So omega 1 plus omega 1, 2 omega 1 can be written as 0 comma 1 and 0 to 1. 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square 1 minus xy whole square divided by x square 1 plus y square and 1 plus xy dx into dy. So this value is log xy divided by 1 plus xy dx into dy, and this value is 0 to 1 and 0 to 1. 1 minus xy divided by 1 plus x square 1 plus y square log xy dx into dy. Okay, next friends. Next we can write this equation. I used again symmetry, using symmetry. So log property will use and symmetry property. So it will become 0 to 1 and 0 to 1 using symmetry. Using symmetry, so I get log x divided by 1 plus xy dx into dy minus 0 to 1 and 2 into 0 to 1 minus xy log x. Okay, log x divided by 1 plus x square into 1 minus 1 plus y square dx. So friends, I apply this way, and now this equation I apply 2 into 0 to 1 log x and integration 0 to 1. So friends, we see that log x can be, and it can be written as 0 to 1 dy divided by 1 plus xy, and I write this way as the symmetry. Okay, both side. Okay, otherwise you can write d dy into dx. Okay, no problem. So this way I can write, and 2 into 0 comma 0 comma 1 log x divided by 1 plus x square 1 plus y square dy, and plus 2 into 0 to 1 and 0 to 1 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square into dx. So friends, it can be written as 2 into 0 comma 1 and log 1 plus x dx, and minus 2 log x zero to dy 1 plus y square. 2 into 0 to 1, and it can be written as x log x divided by x square into 0 to 1 dy divided by 1 plus y square. So friends, very simple iterative method. So I get, please check my videos that I have already find out these values. So this value is, I can write that 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 zeta 3. So, and another factor is that 2 omega, so 2 is missing, so omega 1, 2 omega 1, okay, 2 is cut in both sides, so I get the value minus 3 by 2 zeta 3. Very fine, and this value is, we know that Catalan cost constant plus g, and it is, this value is integrations pi by 4, okay, tan inverse y. Tan inverse y means pi by 4, pi by 4 pi by 4g, okay, and this value, we know that log 2, this value is log 2 minus log 2, and this is minus log 2 and pi square by 24. Okay, okay friends, this value is, so pi square by 48, pi square by 48. Okay, how it is possible friends, because it is pi by 4g, okay, and this value this is minus g, okay. Now next, this is the x into log x divided by 1 plus x square, and this is the, you see, that this value is 1 plus y square. Okay, 1 plus y square is equal to pi by 4, and log x into log 1 plus x square log x. Okay, so x square, taking x square is equal to t, so I get, and if putting, then this value is pi square by 48, because it is the log x divided by 1 plus x integration 0 to 1, that is the eta 2 functions, friends, eta 2 function. So it is, this value is pi by 48. Okay, so now hence I get omega 1, and omega is equal to this value, we know. I have to add it, adding this. So omega is equal to omega 1 minus 15 by 64 zeta 3, 15 by 64 zeta 3 pi cube 32 log 2. So the value is minus 3 by 2 zeta 3. Okay, and 15 by 64 zeta 3. Okay, plus pi by 4g minus this value is pi square by 32. So pi by 4g minus pi square by 48 log 2 minus pi square by 32 log 2. Okay, I hope it is clear. It is clear for everyone. Next, now it is 64 and this is 2, so it is 30. Now I have to do calculations. So calculation is pi by 4g, so it is 32. Okay, 32 into 3, 3 to the 33, 396. Okay, this value is 33 divided by 32 zeta 3. Okay, because 64, 96 minus 15, that is 1, and 81. Okay, 81 the 33 minus zeta 33 divided by 32 zeta 3. 33 by 32 zeta 3 minus, okay, and pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Okay, my calculation is correct. And minus pi square by 24 log 2. Okay, pi square by 48 and pi square by 32. Okay, pi square by pi square by 30, not pi cube. Pi square by 32. When I will add, then it is 16 and 3. So it is 3 plus 1. So it is 16 into 6. Okay, so this value is 4 divided by 16 into 6. So it is cut 4. So it is 24. Okay, pi square by 24 log 2. Now friends, I have to reduce the value of log 1 plus x square, log 1 plus x square, log 1 plus x divided by x. So 0 to 1 log 1 plus x square into log li2 minus ln2 plus 2 into 0 to 1 x into li2 minus x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, so if I use this formula, so li2 minus 1 is equal to pi square by 12. So it is pi square by 12. And if I multiply this with 2, so whatever I get pi by 2 g minus pi square by 12 log 2 minus 33 divided by 32 zeta 3, and I equals to, so this value pi square by 12 log 2, and this value pi square by 12 log 2, in here pi square 12 log 2, this value and this value cut, so I get pi by 2 g minus 33 divided by zeta 3. So friends, thanks for watching. I hope I can clear this topic.